Amplifiers and amplifier channels can be labeled in many different places in IRIS-Net. In the Amplifiers user panel, you find a field for the amplifier name and fields for the names of output A and output B. Enter, for example, high as amplifier name and press enter. When you open the Setup and Control dialog, you can label the amplifier and its channels EG on the Config and Info page. If you have many amplifiers and channels which need to be labeled, then this method can be very time-consuming. To save time, there's a nice option in IRIS-Net. Go to the menu bar, RCM-28 Overview. The RCM-28 Overview dialog opens. Here you find all RCM-28 amplifier names, input A and B names, and output A and B names in one place. You can now make changes directly here or make use of the export and import functions. Click on the Export button and save the file EG in the IRIS-Net Projects folder as EG. Amp list Cobra 4.5 amps. This file can now be edited with text editor software like the Notepad or WordPad, Microsoft Word, or even Microsoft Excel. Click on the Import button and load the file. Amp list Cobra 4.5 amps. All amplifiers, inputs, and outputs are now labeled. Please observe that no amplifier name may be used multiple times. Close the RCM-28 Overview dialog. And don't forget to save your project file.